Hello lovely people, I welcome you to the Roots Academy. I'm John Apia. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers by 11 with a simple trick. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video for others to also benefit. If you can see from the screen, you're going to see that we have number like 11 is being multiplied by 268. Now I'm going to show you how to multiply this without using a calculator. So simple. We all know that if you are multiplying a number by 11, starting from 1, so let's say 11 times 1, that means you are going to repeat this number twice. So it will be 11. So that means 11 times 1 is 11. So the same way 11 times 2, that means you are going to repeat this number twice. So you are going to write 22. So that will be the answer. Now in case you have number like 11 times 9, that means the 9 will be repeated twice. So you're going to get 99. Okay, so let's imagine you have been given 11 times 12. So that one too, will the answer be 12 and 12? No, that is wrong. Imagine you are given this number. Before we go to the beginning of this, the first question, let me show you this. When I given 11 times 12, and you are being asked to multiply 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers by 11, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, even 10-digit numbers by 11. This is the simple trick you are going to use. Now, the number that you are going to use to multiply by the 11, you need to write the number separately. So the first number and then the last number, you write them separately. Then you add the numbers. So we have only 2 numbers here, so just add 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, you're going to get 3. So the answer will be 132. That means 11 times 12 give you 132. So let's go back to our question. So the question that we had was 11 times 268. So this is how we are going to do it. The same way you write the first digit and the last digit separately. So you come to this section here, because this one is 3 digits. You're going to start from here. You add the middle one and then the last number. So 6 plus 8, you're going to get 14. So you write your 4 instead of writing all the 14. You write your 4, remainder 1. So remainder 1, then you leave the remainder 1 somewhere. Then come and add these 2 numbers too. So 2 plus 6, that is 8. Then add the remainder, making it 9. So your answer will be 2,948 as the answer for 11 times 2,608. 268, sorry. Okay, so let's move further and ask more example. Let's imagine you are given 11 times 1649, something like this. So you see, this is a huge number. Let's add 1 to it. So this is a huge number that we are going to multiply. So let's use the same trick. So this is what you're going to do. You write the first number and then the last number. Now let's go back to the number that we are multiplying. So we are multiplying by 16,491. So you start from the last one, 9 plus the last number, which is 1. So 9 plus 1, you're going to get 10. So instead of writing 10, you're going to write your 0, remember the 1. Then you move to the next set of numbers. So for 9, then 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. You add the remainder 1 to it, making 14. So you write 4, remainder 1. Then you move from the next set of numbers here. So you have done with this one, so you need to move to the next set of numbers here. So 6 plus 4 give you 10. 10 plus the remainder 1, which is 11. So you write your 1, remainder the 1. So you move to the last set of numbers here, 6 and then 1. So 6 plus 1 give you 7. You see, plus the remainder, which is what? 8. That means 11 times 16,491 will give you 181,401. Okay, so you can verify with your calculator. So this is a simple trick that I want to show you in this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like the video, and share for others to also benefit. Now let me give you the last question that I want you to solve and then produce your answer in the comments. Please don't use a calculator, use this method and then give me the answer in the comment section. So you're going to use 20,384. So you are multiplying 20,384 by 11. So let me see the answers in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.